Up next, I'm going all Japan on these. Hey, I know it's a fig, but still delicious, right? I'm making these figs unagi-style. Unagi is Japanese for eel, and sushi restaurants marinate them in soy. Mirin, rice wine, and sugar. Then they grill them to get that charry, smoky goodness. Gonna massage all those flavors in there. I wish someone would do that for my back. All of you. Massage. While these figs soak up all that flavor, let's make some crispy rice cakes. Short grain rice, naturally starchy. How do we turn that into sushi rice? Come on, I'm glad you asked. I'll show you. Water, rice vinegar made from fermented rice, and sugar to balance the sweet and the sour. Now, this is the trick. In my house, I have to be careful how loud I say sushi. My oldest son, Adam, he goes crazy for sushi. When he was a little boy, he didn't know how to use the chopsticks. So he'd sit there with the 2 chopsticks and just stab away at sushi and shove it in his mouth. How do you say ta-da in Japanese? Sushi rice. Now, you cover it with a damp cloth, let it cool, spread it into a lined pan, and this is what you get. Ta-da! Now, for my flip trick. 1, 2, 3. Like a magician revealing the cape. In Italy, we roll rice into balls and make arancini. That sizzle is those rice cakes getting nice and crispy. Give them their time. They love the heat. Okay, stop figging around. And let's get these figs into the same pan. Oh, when that sugar hits that pan, the sweetness is in the air. And keep the marinade. Ready for this? Basting the figs is gonna infuse even more flavor. Oh, it's coming along. We're almost there. We're almost there, veg heads. Part of the garnish, some sesame seeds. And there they are, the crispy rice cakes. This is the part where I start getting really excited. And the mouth starts to salivate. I could already taste all those flavors. Will you look at that? Ooey gooey fig goodness. A little sauce has a drizzle on top. And the final garnish, nori, seaweed, all sliced up into finely thin strips. All done, ready to go. Will you look at that? I'm ready for this. Are you ready? Crispy sound. That is so friggin' good. This is a recipe you can really give a fig about.